the last passage rather. So here we are speaking about, see, the author speaks about how certain birds, right, they display skills, right, with skills which are like the use of machines modifying things and using them to their advantage. These birds sometimes they do it in the wild, some of them do it in the captivity also, right. Now that way, because of this, people start thinking that, acha, we should probably make some kind of a list of zoological IQ tests with humans at the top to establish the hierarchy with humans at the top. The author says in evolution, it does not work like this because each animal is basically assigned a certain path, right? Each animal is actually supposed to have a certain specialty. Evolution is all about increasing the chances of reproduction and survival of that particular animal which fits the requirements. So, in short, what we consider human intelligence to be the best is unique to us, but it is not the best in terms of hierarchy, right? So, therefore, a bird which has a certain skill, a mammal which has a certain skill, it is suitable to its own field. So, there should be no hierarchy as such, right? So, that is what is the whole aim of the passage, right? So, that way, what we should actually do is rather than so it is interesting, it would be better to recognize the cognition, right, and to research how the birds or the birds which behave like humans, right, rather than trying to provide a hierarchy, it is better to study how they could evolve similar traits to us rather than trying to find a copy for ourselves in the animal world. So this is the passage. The key ideas. Let's eliminate the options to make it clear. See, in the first part of the paragraph, the first two, he does not mention only these Caledonian crows. He mentions another type of crow displaying, if not the same, but similar skills. So that way, the first part is limited in both option A and B. I would go for C and D because we speak about it's about the use of tools by birds, not just one particular type of bird. Right now, here option D loses out because of the word impress and natural selection. Natural selection is a concept that is there in evolution. The author mentions evolution and how he says the aim of evolution is basically reproduction and survival. Natural selection is not even mentioned. And impress, it is not about impressing. Dekho, yes, human beings are impressed. That is there in the first part. After that comes the idea of how human beings want to establish a certain kind of intelligence hierarchy. So that is missing in option D. So the best answer is C. I hope everybody understood.